Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly out. You didn't come across this meditation by accident. There is a reason you are here, a reason you are thinking about them right now, because something is already shifting, even if they've been silent, even if it feels like nothing is happening. Energy is moving behind the scenes. And in the next 5 minutes, you are going to align your energy so powerfully that silence can no longer exist between you. Before we begin, type in the comments, "They are reaching out to me now," to seal your intention in. Now let's begin. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and let your body feel heavy, supported, and safe. Breathe in slowly through your nose, hold, and release through your mouth. Again and deeper this time. Inhale, and with every exhale, you are releasing doubt, releasing fear, releasing the story that says they won't come back, because that story is no longer yours. Now repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. They are thinking about me constantly. I am impossible to forget. The silence between us is dissolving now. They feel drawn to reach out to me. I am always on their mind. Communication flows to me easily and naturally. They miss me more every single day. I am magnetic. They are breaking their silence right now. I am chosen. I am desired. I am prioritized. Now pause and breathe. Feel it. Not as hope, but as fact. Now I want you to imagine them. See their face clearly. And notice something different. They are thinking about you. They pick up their phone, put it down, pick it up again, because they can't ignore this pull anymore. That silence has been bothering them. Feel that shift from you waiting to them needing to reach you. You are no longer chasing. You are receiving. Feel the relief. Feel the certainty. Feel the moment when your phone lights up and it's them. Stay in this feeling, because this is your new reality. Everything is aligning. Everything is unfolding. Even now behind the scenes, they are being guided back to you. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to chase anything, because what is meant for you is already moving towards you. Now repeat after me. It is done. It is happening. They are reaching out now. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale slowly out. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Remember, this is just the beginning. And comment below, "They contacted me." Claim it, lock it in, and trust they will break their silence. And if you want to manifest them even faster and amplify this energy, visit joybyjanell.com. I've created powerful tools there to help you collapse time and bring your desires to you even quicker.